Lesson 1. Morning Beginnings. Hello, dear learner, and welcome to a brand new journey at English Practice Beginners. Today, we step into my day through a vlog style. A day in my life. Imagine waking up in the morning, sunlight streaming through the window. The first thing I do is stretch, yawn, and take a deep breath. Repeat after me. Stretch, yawn. Take a deep breath. Very good. I head to the kitchen for a glass of water. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps wake up the body. Mini dialogue. My flatmate Mia said, "Good morning. Did you sleep well?" I replied, "Yes, thank you." I feel refreshed. Mia smiled. "You look ready to take on the day." Notice the phrases. Feel refreshed. Ready to take on the day. Repeat. Feel refreshed. Ready to take on the day. Next, I prepare a simple breakfast. Porridge with a slice of banana and a cup of tea. While eating, I think about my plans for the day. Speaking about routines is a fantastic way to practice English naturally. Repeat after me. Simple breakfast. Think about my plans. Practice English naturally. Before we move on, take a moment to describe your own morning. What do you do first? Try saying it out loud. I wake up at. I drink. I eat. This small exercise helps you form clear sentences and builds confidence. In the next lesson, we'll explore getting ready and planning for the day. Lesson 2. Getting ready and planning. Welcome back. Lesson 2 is about preparation. After breakfast, I get dressed for the day. Today, I choose a comfortable shirt and jeans because I have a busy day ahead. Repeat after me. Comfortable shirt, jeans, busy day ahead. Excellent. I pack my bag with essentials, wallet, keys, notebook, and water bottle. A short dialogue. My friend Oliver said, "Do you pack everything in the morning?" I replied, "Yes, it saves time later." Oliver nodded. "That's very organised." Repeat. Pack everything. Saves time. Very organised. Next, I check my schedule. I have a lecture, a quick coffee break, and a library visit. Speaking about your day helps practice sequencing words. First, next, then, finally. Repeat. First, next, then, finally. Check my schedule. Library visit. Before we finish, try describing your day's plan out loud. Use small sentences. I will go to. I need to. Then I will. In the next lesson, we'll follow my commute to college. Lesson 3. The commute lesson. 3 is about travelling to college. I step outside, put on my jacket, and lock the door. Repeat. Step outside. Put on my jacket. Lock the door. Good. I walk to the bus stop. Mini dialogue. Sophie said, "Are you taking the bus today?" I replied, "Yes, it's faster than walking." Sophie smiled. Smart choice in the morning rush. Repeat. Bus stop. Faster than walking. Morning rush. On the bus, I find a seat near the window. I watch the city wake up. Shop shutters opening, delivery vans arriving, people hurrying. Observing your surroundings is a great way to describe in English. Repeat. Find a seat. Watch the city wake up. People hurrying. Before the lesson ends, practice speaking about your journey. I walk to. I take the bus to. I watch. These phrases help narrate daily activities fluently. In the next lesson, we'll explore college life and lectures. Lesson 4. College and lectures. Welcome to Lesson 4. I arrive at college, greet friends, and head to my first lecture. Repeat. Greet friends. First lecture. Head to class. Mini dialogue. Emma asked, "Are you ready for the lecture?" I replied, "Yes, I have my notebook and pen." Emma nodded. Smart preparation. Repeat. Notebook and pen. Smart preparation. During the lecture, I listen carefully, take notes, and sometimes ask questions. Phrases like take notes, listen carefully, ask questions are useful for classroom conversations. Repeat, take notes. Listen carefully. Ask questions. After the lecture, I discuss the topic with classmates. Talking about your day using real scenarios helps build English confidence. In the next lesson, we'll cover lunch break and social conversations. Lesson 5, lunch break and social talk. Lesson 5 is all about food and chat. I head to the canteen and buy a sandwich and fruit juice. Repeat, sandwich. Fruit juice. Mini dialogue. Jack said, "What did you get for lunch?" I replied, "A sandwich and juice." "What about you?" Jack smiled, "A salad and water." Repeat, "What did you get?" "What about you?" "Salad and water." During lunch, I chat about weekend plans and hobbies. Speaking in casual conversations is very important. Phrases, weekend plans, hobbies, chat with friends. Repeat, weekend plans, hobbies, chat with friends. Try describing your lunch in English. I eat, I drink, I talk about. In the next lesson, we'll explore library time and study sessions. Lesson 6, library time and study. Welcome to Lesson 6. After lunch, I head to the library for quiet study. Repeat, library. Quiet study. Mini dialogue. Lucy asked, "Do you come here often?" I replied, "Yes, I like studying in a calm place." Lucy smiled, "It's very peaceful here." Repeat, come here often. Calm place. Very peaceful. I read textbooks, write notes, and plan assignments. Useful phrases. Read textbooks, write notes, plan assignments. Repeat, read textbooks. Write notes. Plan assignments. Before we finish, try narrating your study routine. I read, I write, I plan. Next lesson covers afternoon coffee break and casual walk. Lesson 7, afternoon coffee and walk lesson. 7. I leave the library and grab a coffee from a nearby cafe. Repeat, grab coffee. Nearby cafe. Mini dialogue. Ben said, "Coffee break?" I replied, "Yes, a small latte to refresh." Ben laughed, "Perfect choice." Repeat, coffee break. Refresh. Perfect choice. After coffee, I take a short walk around the college garden. I watch birds, students chatting, and enjoy fresh air. Phrases, short walk, fresh air, watch birds. Repeat, short walk. Fresh air, watch birds. Try describing your own break. I drink, I walk, I watch. Next lesson, we'll discuss evening activities and winding down. Lesson 8, evening activities. Lesson 8, I return home, cook a simple dinner, and sometimes watch a short show. Repeat, cook, dinner. Watch a show. Mini dialogue. Mia asked, "What are you watching?" I replied, "A documentary about nature." Mia smiled, "Interesting choice." Repeat, what are you watching? Documentary about nature. Interesting choice. Evening is for reflection. I write a short journal entry about the day. Useful phrases, reflection, journal entry about the day. Repeat, reflection, journal entry, about the day. Before ending, practice. I cook. I watch, I write. Next lesson is about preparing for tomorrow. Lesson 9, preparing for tomorrow. Lesson 9, before bed, I prepare my bag for the next day. Books, clothes, and essentials. Repeat, prepare my bag. Next day. Mini dialogue. Jack asked, "Do you always prepare in advance?" I replied, "Yes, it makes mornings smoother." Jack nodded. Very organised. Repeat, prepare in advance. Morning smoother. Very organised. I set an alarm, tidy my desk, and go to bed. Useful phrases. Set an alarm, tidy desk, go to bed. Repeat, set an alarm, tidy desk. Go to bed. Try saying your bedtime routine. I prepare, I tidy, I sleep. Next lesson is the final reflection and motivation. Lesson 10, reflection and motivation. Welcome to the final lesson. Reflection is important. I think about what I achieved today and plan improvements for tomorrow. Repeat, reflection. Achieved today. Plan improvements. Mini dialogue. Mia said, "You had a busy day?" I replied, "Yes, but productive and fun." Mia smiled. That's the best kind of day. Repeat, busy day. Productive and fun. Best kind of day. Now you practice describing your whole day in English. Start from morning, follow your routine, and finish with reflection. Repeat after me. I wake up, I study, I relax, I plan for tomorrow. Excellent. Remember, speaking about daily life in English makes it real, practical, and enjoyable. Keep practicing every day and notice small details in your own routine.